in Squamish, and it's a pretty nice one. Look at all the mountain views. Gordon's just gone to get us some water. We couldn't find any place to fill up the water, and right now our fresh water tank is empty, so he's gonna go get a giant bottle of water, and that should do for our overnight stay in Pemberton. Yay, RV parking. This is the first time I've actually seen one.
I really need to park an RV park.
Yeah, but it's nice. It's nice to have that option. We're at Brandywine Provincial Park, and we're just on our way to Pemberton to stay overnight at our friend Mike and Jane's property. We thought we'd just stop by here, have a little break, and go for a little walk and have a look at the falls. I've never actually been here before.
Yeah, gorgeous. That's Garibaldi Park just ahead of us, and that's Black Tusk, which is quite a monolithic black tower. Looks a lot more significant from the other side than it does from this side. And then Garibaldi Park basically runs from down over here all the way up past the other side of Whistler. Spectacular spot. That's Daisy Lake, which is actually a hydro reservoir, so that lake volume will go up and down depending on how much water BC Hydro wants to retain for power generation, and of course the runoff.
Climbing up to see what kind of views he gets up there. You see anything?
No, just beautiful view of the forest, some of the trees.
Oh, that's disappointing. We're kind of hoping that we'd be able to see the lake. Swim Lake. Must be very popular in the summertime.
I'm going to take, this looks a little steep.
A leap of faith?
Yeah, I think I can jump from here to that rock about 10 meters away. I know I can make the rock. It's just how good my landing's going to be.
It's probably going to be a messy landing.
Yeah, so I'm going to get ready, then I'm going to jump, and then I'm going to land perfectly on that rock.
All right. I'm not going to watch. Wow, that's pretty amazing. You can just call him Gordon Grills.
You can see how porous the rock is. It's all volcanic.
Oh.
You look at it, very porous. So this whole area is actually, and the black tusk that you saw earlier in the video, it's all left over after volcanic eruptions a long time ago.
Just taking a look at this this RV. It's quite nice, the Unity. Oh, somebody in there. Hello.
Come on, little pumpkin.
You look a little sleepy. Or maybe it's kind of bright. The light's very bright because it's dark in there. Let's see how cool it is in there.
Falls. The campground's actually closed, although I know somebody's got a tent in here. The gate's closed. Just want to show you what the view would be like from some of the sites. Even the inside sites are nice. You can still hear the river. Can't see it, but you can hear it.
Go see if they have any pie at North Arm Farm in Pemberton. Oh, they're so cute. I don't know if that's their color or if they've been rolling around in mud. Alright, Gordon's gonna have to back in. Well, what do you think? Those trees, the branches are pretty low. Yeah. I'm concerned about that one there, although they're pretty flimsy branches, so they might not do anything. We're in Pemberton now at our friend's place. We were going to be driving through their gate and down their driveway and stay at their property, but unfortunately we couldn't do that because there were a lot of overhanging branches and the trees along the driveway, and there was one particular one that definitely would have hit the top of our van and probably scratched.
Maybe we would have lost our air conditioner.
Yeah, so it wasn't a good idea. So we ended up driving back up the driveway, and we're right outside their gate, and we're going to be staying here tonight. So we're literally driveway surfing.
Almost country road surfing, because we're actually just where their driveway comes off the country road that heads out to Darcy. Still a nice spot. We've got, if we look out the window right now, we've got a river about 20 meters away. I've got beautiful trees. A lavender tree actually is sort of against our window, and just behind it are peaks that are probably about 7,000 feet, just snow-capped.
Yeah, it's a very beautiful piece of property. There's a beautiful creek that runs through, and they've got an upper level and a lower level. The lower level is kind of like a meadow, and it's right beside the creek, and it's just beautiful. And when you're down in the meadow, you can actually see some of the beautiful mountain peaks in the area.
It's a gorgeous area, as Mickey said. It's actually, it's kind of like the river goes and meanders in a circle, or half a circle, and their property is kind of in the middle. So it's quite nice. And you'll see in the video, it's just an incredible spot. They've got a small cabin here now, and they're looking at building a passive house at some point in the near future.
So a little disappointing that we couldn't actually go down and stay near their cabin or next to their cabin, but on the other hand, you know, it's fine here, and it just sort of made us realize that we're in a camper van and we can basically stay wherever we want, and we've got everything we need here. So
much nicer than Walmart. The other things we did today, though, on the way here, it took us, I think it's about a 3-hour drive from where we live, but it took us a lot longer than that. That's because we stopped at several spots. And so we actually managed to do a couple very short hikes, like they're not very long, like 3 or 4K in total. But both times we saw waterfalls, both times we saw rainbows around the waterfall just because of the way the sun was.
Yeah, it was a beautiful, beautiful day. You would have thought it was already summer. It was about 25 degrees Celsius and sunny and blue sky. Just a fabulous, fabulous day today.
We'll get up tomorrow and we'll probably head out to Anderson Lake, which is not very far from here actually, which is where Darcy itself is. There's literally, I think, 12 homes there right at the end of the road, and it's a beautiful area, nice big lake.
Anyway, I think that's probably it for tonight. Precious has settled down in her sleeping spot, and we'll probably have an early night. And
yeah, we'll do the same. We won't settle in Precious's sleeping spot, but we'll settle in
we'll
our
make
sleeping
our bed.
spot.
Yeah, and yeah, and then hopefully we'll sleep well. Hopefully there aren't too many cars driving by.
I think this is going to be my gym for the morning. Just going to do some body weight exercises using one of the suspension trainers that are pretty popular today. Just trying to stay fit as we're traveling on the road. So I think I'm just going to hook something up here right off the maple trees and do some basic exercises from it. Place to exercise in the morning. Nicer than the gym anyway. Mickey's still back up in the van sleeping. We had a good night. It was pretty quiet, and you can hear the sounds that are around us. Just a gorgeous spot that our friends have here. Get an idea of the view I have right now. Pretty nice way to start the day. Good morning. Hi guys, you out here wild grazing? Hey, you my friend should get off the road.